Loggi has more than 10 years operating the logistics market here in Brazil. We deliver more than 300,000 packages every day. We have hubs and distribution centers in the 27 federal states of the country, which means all of them. And throughout the years, we captured more than $1 billion from investors like SoftBank and Microsoft. And in 2019, we became a Brazilian unicorn. When we talk about logistics in Brazil, it's necessary to brief people about two things. And the first one is that Brazil is a continental country. And because of that, we deal with complexity in the logistic chain. The second thing is that there is not only one way of delivering things. For example, I live in Manaus, which is a city that is in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. And because of that, because of the forest, we don't have paved highways that connects us to the central states. The first problem was that it was very common for our colleagues to Slack everyone, asking about which team or person had the context to explain the business rule of a given model or ask other questions. The second struggle was about data organization. People used to struggle to find out which table was the correct one to be used to produce other insights and answer new business questions. And this led, naturally, the entire data team to be less efficient. The third problem was regarding data reporting inconsistencies. We've been using Looker, that is our visualization tool, for more than 10 years of Loggi, and we never took a moment to reorganize everything that was built there. We also had the complexity of our data models, which could be really painful to the data teams and other teams that are not very technical. The first win for us was the definition of ownership, because in order to help people to find who could help them to answer questions about modeling business rules in a given model, we organized the DBT models and declared the ownership of these models. Another use case that is very helpful for us was the feature of data lineage, because every time we have to deploy a model update, we know the possible impacts of the forwarding on the forwarding lineage. We also benefit from this feature when a model gets to the end of its life. And working together with the data quality feature, we have an alert channel that triggers us every time the data behaves different from what we expected. We used OpenMetadata to perform the deletion of dated dashboards. We had almost 18,000 dashboards and looks, and we were able to delete the majority of them and reduce it to the number of almost 2,000 dashboards. We are now working on governance and deleting almost 7,000 tables from Redshift, recovering almost $2,000 every month. People see value on it in the company. Because of this value, what OpenMetadata brings us in regarding data organization.